all source, hopefully, information, cancellation of classes. Now, debris, possible debris, high alert, DPS, MTPB, at saka engineering. High alert na tayo, ha. Tapos, city electrician, sama-sama kayo, ha. Pagka baka may bumagsak na kable, importante, ha. At saka pagpapapatay ng ilaw kung kinakailangan. Now, meron ba tayong mga rubber boat? Standby lahat, ha? Standby lahat. Amphibious vehicle. Okay. High alert lahat, ha? Now, let's go now to possible individuals who may need medical attention or assistance. Ano ang level na dapat natin gawin, Dr. Director ng Manila Health Department, Padilla? As we speak, ano ngayon?
Good morning, Mayor. Sa ngayon po ay mag-code white po kami. But in the event na meron talagang flooding or naka-high alert naman po ang ating mga ospital, plus yung ating mga health center, kompleto pa naman po ang ating doxycycline.
MPIO, please inform the people of Manila that doxycycline is available if they feel that they were exposed to flooding and wanted to feel level of security or confidence. They may access in our 7 hospital and 44 health centers yung doxycycline. Now, we are now on alert level white. Just to inform you, from the last, during the September 21 event, we are on alert level white and trying to address as many as we can. But for the meantime, I would like to take this opportunity to thank MTPB, DPS, Engineering, Red Cross, MDRRMO, and Manila Health Department, who serve, or those who serve in our ported installation, and yung nagpakain sa ating NDSW. Salamat na sa inyo. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga doktor. Thank you. Every ninyo, nagrarally na sila, binibigyan pa natin sila ng doktor at nurses. I am happy to be of service. They visited Manila, we took care of them. Okay. Now, last, J. Prepare necessary food, warm, hot meals, eat and eat. So, yung supplies natin.
Yes, sir.
I-ready ninyo.
Ready na po.
So, amphibious vehicle, kuryente, street clearing of debris, hospital, medicine, guide, center, school. Yan. Pag halimbawa, let's do the scenario at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Maimbing ang tulog ng tao. At nakakita tayo ng data from yellow to orange, what you call storm surge. Inform the Manila Police District to help our MDRRMO and civilian unit to be assisted for forced evacuation. If ever, we need to really pull them out, possible. But Lahat tayo play by ear tayo So, ibig sabihin, high alert tayo lahat. Wala mo ng tulog. Maganda walang tulog. Pagpalalahin mo, hindi kayo nagising. We need to pay the price. We really have. Wala nang ibang asahan ng tao kundi tayo po diyan. So for now, we open some suggestions. Do you have any suggestion? May nakalimutan ba ako? Yes, sir.
Sir, yun sa NCR kong assistant sir, naka-ready na po yung aming mga DRRDs. Under NCR.
Good. Thank you. You coordinate also to DOH. You coordinate also to DSWD, Jay.
Yes, sir.
You coordinate to MDRR and NCR. Ganun din ba ang nila? Assessment sa NCR level?
Yes.
Ng MDRR mo region, no? Pare-pareho tayo ng data, no?
Yes.
Most likely. Sige. Any more?
Communication, sir.
Radyo ka naman. Shared naman yan. So, kasi meron tayong gagawin ngayon, regalo na naman natin sa mga taga-Maynila. Magbubukas tayo ng additional dialysis center in the city of Manila. So with that, to our private partners, Maynila, Manila Water, Meralco, thank you very much for your time. I just wanted you to participate in this kind of meeting, especially these are the things that very important. Clean, drinkable water in times of disaster, kuryente to power up all necessary equipment for purposes of communication and logistics. And the rest is, it's like riding a bicycle to you. Repeat performance lang. To our partner in BFP, if needed, we may need your trucks, and at least you have an idea. In the next 48 hours, the city government is on high alert. This most likely you may and may not receive a call from us for proper or assistance na kakailanganin namin. Standby naman kayo, no? Standby. So I think we're in sync, no? Pare-pareho tayo ng antena ngayon. So mag-iingat kayo. I'm going to be with you all the way until makalagpas yung bagyo. I will be around. Rest assured, what I ask from you is the things that I can do also. Kaya pumanatag kayo. Sama-sama tayo rito. And later tonight, I hope I'm not asking too much. You ask God and include into your prayers that everyone will be safe. Not only Manila, but also the country itself. Kasi mukhang malawak-lawak itong tatahakin ng bagyo. Slice In-slice yung Pilipinas, hindi siya cross. Yun na siya. So, I hope everyone will be safe. But for the meantime, at least, we're ready. Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Good. Mag-ingat kayo. Yawa ang Diyos, makakaraos din tayo. Thank you very much. Good morning.